Okay. This is roll tail tomatoes that I ground, and this is 79 cents. I gotta hurry, my phone's acting off. It's been, my internet connection has been really terrible. All right, these are the dehydrated eggs. Let's try it. If it tastes really horrible, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's not bad, you guys. Imagine if you didn't have any eggs, none, and you couldn't get any, and you had some. So these went from the rubbery state. This is not bad. It's super hot. I'm trying to rush because I will taste a bite of the eggs. Here it is. It's not a perfect application, and neither were the videos, but I think by Jove, I think I've got it.